Miranda sings along.
Hey guys, it's me, Miranda. Welcome to Miranda's vlog. So, I've never been in a car wash before. Usually my mom makes my dad or my uncle wash the car, but today is a special occasion. So we're getting to go through an actual car wash, which I'm really excited about. Okay, so that was really fun. So I'm glad you guys were able to come with me on my journey. It's my very first experience. I would say that it's really good and fun to do it. So a couple parts are scary, but not too bad. So I would say go, recommend it. It's kind of like Disneyland. So thanks, guys. Hey guys, I forgot to do a fan and hate mail of the day. So here you go. First fan mail. Ashley Holmes on my Facebook said, "Miranda, please be my friend. I love you and you sing so good." So, thank you very much. That was a really sweet of you. So now here is hate mail of the day. Sergio Lopez on my Facebook said, "Ugly beep girl, you beep and act like a beep kid. Idiot." So really rude. So hate her back off and don't say things. Don't go on my fan page if you're not a fan, obviously. So alright, hope you guys like this video and don't forget to share it. Also check out my new music video. So love you guys.